Hello, dear friend. If your PC doesn't work properly, it's a very slow. You run Windows 10 and 11, so you want to make your PC very fast. Follow all these steps, dear friend. All these steps are very important. Today, I will show you all these steps because I apply all these steps on my computers, and my computer works very fast. It runs like rocket, dear friends. Follow this class till the end. For this step, we have to come faster. I want to show you. Just type on your keyboard Window plus R. If you once you type Window plus R, this run button will come here. Window R. Here you have to first type clean mgr. Properly you have to type this command because these commands are very important, and these commands works perfectly for Windows 10 and no others settings. Only these settings will work, dear friend, and it will help you a lot. Most of people don't know about these command. They can't use actually, and lots of garbages. Actually you can't totally delete in PC manager or other CC cleaner. There are lots of cleaners, some file even though remain. So using this command, we will use this command all, and we will remove all content, all garbages, files, recent files, Windows files which are unnecessary file, totally unnecessary. So you see, I have typed clean mgr, and now just enter. Once you enter, you see desktop disk cleanup device selection. I want to see clean because our system is on C drive. We will automatically clean C drive. Otherwise, you can clean other drive, but in other drives there are rarely system files actually. Here we will select a C drive. Once you select, you see here a disk cleanup. You can use a disk cleanup free up. You see we have 58 MB of disk space. No, it's all totally occupied. Yesterday I cleaned and I had some very few projects I worked. So you see in 24 hours we have so many garbages on our computer. Here you see temporary internet files. You see window error reports, feedback signatures, this temporary file, recycle bin, all thumbnails. We have totally 508 MB. We will click OK. Clean up system, or otherwise you can click from here OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete all these file? Delete, because we want to delete. Just click at delete. Now you see the our window is deleting. The disk utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Here see, we have no clean. There is a second method. It's a very important. Click window R on your PC, window R. Otherwise you can open run from here. We type here percent. You have to write percent. Then you have to type temp, temp. Again you type temp on your keyboard. You see we have no percent, temp percent. It will actually delete all our temporary file from here. Okay, we will click enter or okay. You see so many garbages we have from Chrome, Aziz, browsers. These are internet files. Some our system files are the XML files. It takes places, dear friend. If you don't clean up 1 month, you understand, you have several GB storage just occupied on your C drive, and your computer will very slowly. It will not give you experience. You have to clean up like in this way. Every day you have to clean. So I have just control A. We will select all and delete. From here you can directly delete, but control A and press on your keyboard delete button. Once you click delete button, you see all we have cleaned here. Now cleaned, and this actually these are running file. We can't actually delete, but try once, try again. We can't, so we will skip this. So you see cancel, we have deleted, and these are the running files which we have opened the computer just now. So we will close this. Now we come for our third process. Again we will enter window R on our keyboard, and now we have to type very carefully prefetch. You have to remember, or otherwise you can write this process on your note, and every time you will execute. Now prefetch and click OK. Otherwise enter on your keyboard. You see you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click continue. I want to continue. We will click here continue. Once we click continue, we see we have this file actually prefetch file. Actually, these are window prefetch files. When we run, you see OBS Studio, we have run NVIDIA, all the application which runs their prefetch files are actually these are unnecessary temporary files. remain here, and it tracks places, use how many places. If you don't clean up your system 1 month, you can understand several GBs of file you will have. These files I have in my system collected in 1 day, you see, in 1 day. So we will just click Control A, we will select all. From here we can delete directly, otherwise we will click delete on our keyboard shortcut, it will delete all. Do for this is actually running file, it will not delete. Skip. You see, we have applied 3 steps. Now we come to fourth step. Window R, type on your keyboard window R, this run command will open, and now we will type here tree. You see tree, you see, you, again you type tree 2 3 times, it will clean up all and your window, your machine will be very fast now. So fast, no, it's a fast, it's showing that your window is a fast now. After applying this method, you have to come to PC manager, download PC manager from here store, from Microsoft store. You come here, and from here you can, if you don't have PC manager, from here you can directly download PC. It will help you a lot. You see, I have installed here, you don't need to install anything, just PC manager. And we will come here, our PC manager is here, I will click. Now see, I have PC manager here. You see, I have here a C drive here, 138 GB, and I have 540 GB of total memory. We'll just click here because I want to delete. You see, I have total of 2.6 GB of items for cleaning. After cleaning this here by running command, we have still here some. You see, we will other system items will click here, and here we will click all items. Recycles bin we will click, and we will just click here proceed. You see, 2.6 GB will proceed here. So 2.5 GB space. You see, in 1 day it was collected 2.5 GB. Now we will just done, and now we come here for our health check. Here we will check our health, and here from here I will just click start up to disable proceed, because this makes your system slower. We'll select proceed here. Now health check completed, we have completed all health check. It will actually check your health, make window faster. Here from here we will boost, we'll just boost here, it's a boosting here. After this process, if you want to run antivirus, from here directly you can scan. From here you see I'm scanning. You don't need to buy any antivirus. Window antivirus is good, and it's a fast. Other antivirus you will download on your computer, it will slow down your computer. From here you can check the updates. Dear friend, if this class is important, please just subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you, dear friend. Nowadays I am working hard, and your one subscription, like, and comment will spread this video to the wider audience on YouTube, and it will help all your friends, dear friend. That's why don't forget to share this video to your friends. Actually, after sharing, maybe your friends will be benefited from this video. I have some friends who have more than 200 GB just in 2 months collected, because he don't know how to clean up window 10 or 11, and he was working, and he was always very much worried because his computer was very slow. Actually, this processes you have to follow every day, dear friend. So you see, we have checked window 10 Microsoft Defender scan. You see, we have a scan result here, you can scan all. So actually this is very good PC manager. If you want a special class about PC manager, please write, I will make a special class for PC manager. Here you see window update here, no update, you can check from update. From here you can storage, you can check from here. Actually in this way you can make your PC very fast. After cleaning all, you just type on your computer control shift window B, it will boot your computer. You see, our screen is dark. Now it has booted our computer, and once again you type window R here tree. So you see, now it will show you how fast our computer is now. You see how fast it is. Now I can you see, I can click anywhere and it open very fast. You see, anywhere, if you want any browser you want to open, it will open. You see, it's opening so fast. Anything, for example, I want to open my video editing software here. Once I click, it will open very fast. It's opening very fast here. Here you see DaVinci Resolve, it's opening a video editing software very fast. Apply this method, dear friend, and write me in the comment box after applying this method how your PC is working now. And we will have more tutorial about the deep cleaning. We will use some other free open source software or a deep cleaning, and there you will show how fast inside deep clean we will delete all the cache file. Actually, if you have a video editing, other tasks, very much intensive work on computer, you will have too much cache files there. Cache files are generated every time very fast. This was our class for how to clean our system. Don't forget to subscribe, dear friends. Your subscription gives me a lot of motivation to make more tutorials. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.